With winter fast approaching, manufacturers who dispense coatings, sealants, adhesives, and other fluids need to prepare for the challenges that colder temperatures bring. Lower temperatures increase the viscosity of fluids, leading to inconsistencies in application and quality issues. There are a few common strategies we see implemented. Many adjust their staging practices and attempt to keep materials closer to optimal temperatures. However, this can complicate logistics, especially in the warmer months. Some develop summer and winter blends to better manage their formulations, and while this allows for greater control, it introduces complexity in tracking and storing multiple part numbers, particularly when you're dealing with a variety of colors. You can increase your solvent use, but in doing so, you alter the chemistry of the carefully formulated material and introduce the risk of solvent-related defects. Another option is to install paint heaters, but their minimal surface area require a lot of localized heat, which can damage or prematurely cure material, and their explosion risk requires them to be placed far from the boot, exposing the material to additional ambient temperatures en route. Pressure changes are a common strategy, but they lead to overspray and material waste, and insulation can help to mitigate some losses to ambient temperatures, but unless it's paired with temperature control of some kind, its impact is going to be limited. All of these adjustments serve as temporary fixes rather than long-term solutions. They involve combating temperature change rather than turning temperature into a tool. Our solutions maintain optimal temperatures right to the point of dispense, with temperature-controlled water in a closed loop, ensuring constant viscosity consistency. By proactively managing temperature, you can enhance product quality, increase throughput, and reduce waste to make sure your operation runs smoothly even during the coldest months.